Welcome! Discover how to seamlessly transfer all your business information to your ordering environment in just a few seconds today. Step into your ordering dashboard. Here, explore a lineup of default importers, each crafted for specific data types. And the best part? We've got a helpful example for each one. These default importers cover a range of data types, making it easy for you to import your information seamlessly. Click on any importer to delve into its structure, offering a clear overview of the required data format for a successful import. Simply upload your CSV file containing your business information and done. In just a few seconds, everything will be imported. Whether you're a large enterprise or a newly launched restaurant, this tool is designed to simplify your life, ensuring a quick and easy launch. And there you have it. The advanced importer ordering function is your ticket to a smoother import process. Visit our website at ordering.co/ordering-digest for an in-depth tutorial of ordering. Explore more now. Check the link in the description of this video.